Do you want your own beautiful store websites like this for your business? Well, then stay with me because in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get your own store website for your online business, especially for those of you that do mini importation, e-commerce, and other various online businesses that deals with buying and selling. This particular video is for your business. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can create your own online store that looks beautifully like this. Okay, and share it to your customers so that they can place orders over there. You have all of your products listed there beautifully, and then certain products that you want to feature to can also be listed there very beautifully. Your social links along with your business name, your logo, and then your tagline, and then the ratings, and then also a very beautiful reviews section whereby you can also reply all of the reviews. Okay, you can reply all the reviews. And the beautiful thing about this is that the reviews can only be placed by people who have bought from you. So it makes everything so authentic, whereby you don't have people who just came there to spoil your business, spoiling it for you with bad reviews. All right. So that's enough talk. Let's get straight into business. Okay. So to create your own store website, you go to ghmart.site. Okay. This is the link over here. You'll find a link to the site also in the description of this video. So you go to ghmart.site. All right. So when you go over to the website, you see a very beautiful interface like this, which explains everything about GHMart. So GHMart is a platform that helps specifically Ghanaian vendors create their own online store so that they can run their business smoothly online and everywhere on all social media platforms. They can place their products there and take orders from there and track their orders and manage everything like a real online business. Okay, all right. Yeah, so you can see some of the stores that are featured on this site. And if you want to see almost every single store on the site, you come to this menu and you tap on the browse store. Okay, so now if you are a vendor and you also want to start using this platform, create your online store so that you can use it to start selling. All right, they have a registration fee. Currently, the registration fee is 1 cedi because they just launched. But then, in conversation with the team, um, you might be seeing the time that you might be seeing this, you might have the registration fee at 50 cedis or more or less, whichever way it goes. Okay, so what you can do is that you can tap over here on open your store. Okay, you can tap over here on open your store. So over here you input your name. Okay, you input your name. I'm going to input my name over here, and then you input your store name, the name of your store. Okay, so after you input the name of your business, you also input your phone number over here. Okay, and then you also input your Gmail address and your password. So after you input the email address and the password, you just tap on the pay registration fee to make payments. Okay, to make payments for the registration of your store as a vendor on the site. So when you tap on the pay registration fee, it will bring you to this page where you would select your payment method that you would want to use. All right, so I'm going to use pay with mobile money. Okay, and then with the pay with mobile money, you now input the details as required to make payment with Momo. All right, so when I'm done, I'll tap on confirm, and then the payment prompt will come. So after inputting my pin and everything, I'll tap on I've completed payments for you to check the transaction status. And then once it is done, voila, we are now in. We now have our store beautifully created. Okay, the account has been created. All right, yes. So we will now be redirected to the vendor dashboard. Okay, you now have your store beautifully created, and we are going to see that very soon. So this is our store. Okay, and this We would have to complete all of this to make our store beautiful and very professional. But then we have done the first phase of creating the store. So you can tap on the link and then it will take you to where your store is. Okay, so in the next tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you everything concerning your vendor dashboard, how to manage your vendor dashboard and everything. So as you can see, the Gmail collections, as you can see over here, this is the reviews page. The Gmail collections, as you can see over here, has everything filled in over here, the tagline and then the social icons and everything. Okay, so you yourself, you can play around. Okay, but then in the next video, okay, in the next video that is going to pop up on your screen at the ending of this video, in that video you are going to get everything concerning managing your vendor dashboard. Okay, you are going to get everything on how you can manage your vendor dashboard. Okay, yes, everything from start to finish. All right, so thank you for staying throughout this video. You can go ahead and first get the first process down and create your store. All right, you can go and get the first process down and create your store, and then after creating your store, you can now move on to watch the next video and learn how you can manage everything concerning your store. Thank you for staying through this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and leave a like and a comment if this video actually has helped you. Okay, and I'll be looking forward to see you in the next video that is going to pop up on your screen right now as a subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.